Hello and welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching the live show Musings with Software Engineers. I'm from mechanical engineering background and after 2 years of graduation, placed at TCS unexpectedly, joined since this May 6th, now on a .NET project. Guide me on the future scope. So, Aljo, first thing is congratulations that you are placed in TCS. Now you are on a .NET project and you want guidance on future and scope. Okay. So what you have to understand, Aljo, is that Microsoft development tools were available very early, even in the 1990s. Okay, whether you talk about Visual Basic, Visual C++, Visual Fox Pro, there were so many tools that Microsoft developed, and Microsoft developed an entire suite called Visual Studio, which was available since 1990s. And it was so easy to develop applications using Microsoft tools that lot of big companies, the Fortune 500 companies, the Fortune 1000 companies, lot of companies invested their money and into this Microsoft technology. So a lot of companies went for Microsoft Windows Server, lot of companies went for desktop, Microsoft Windows desktop operating system. Okay, and then they would invest in developing application internal to the company on Microsoft tools and technologies. And then in 2000 Microsoft came out with Microsoft.NET. Now Microsoft.NET, I think, I don't know what is the version, it is called .NET Core, but now Microsoft is .NET Core is more like an open source which is available. Even it is not necessary that you just can use it on a Microsoft platform. You can build applications on other platforms also using Microsoft Core. Correct? Which means what? The future and scope of Microsoft is very good. If you look at the market that Microsoft had during the 1990s and the 2000s, then Microsoft has a very huge market, was dominated by Microsoft. So you will see so many applications which are running on .NET technology. You will see so many big enterprise software applications which are running on Microsoft.NET. Correct? So Microsoft is not going anywhere. Microsoft is doing really well as far as the present is concerned and even the future is concerned. Okay, so if you are becoming a .NET software engineer, what I would suggest is that learn the basics and master the skills of .NET to an extent. Take one book on .NET programming, which takes you from basics to advanced concept, right? And read that book 4 to 5 times within a year, within 2 years. Become kind of an expert in .NET such that each and every project that you do, okay, you can get the next best project within .NET. Okay, of course, this means that you will always be working on .NET projects. You will always be working directly for companies who are on the .NET platform, but you will get really good placements if you focus on becoming an expert in this .NET technology. Even today, I like developing software on .NET because it's very easy to learn and it is very quick to implement a lot of things. It's a rapid application development platform. So lot of things you can do without writing a long line of codes. Okay, you can do very complex things by just simple one line structures. Now you are saying unexpectedly. It is not that TCS came to your home and said, okay, Aljo, come, we need you in TCS. No, you went for their exam, you did whatever preparation for the exam, you gave the exam, and with whatever is your aptitude, attitude, and everything, you got the job. So you sold yourself really well to TCS, so TCS gave you a job. It is not unexpectedly. Okay, it is your karma. You did something. There are actions that you have taken, and every action has a equal and opposite reaction. So you are not unexpectedly in TCS. You are expectedly in TCS. You had the expectation or you had an intention to get into TCS. Otherwise, it is not possible for a engineer to get into TCS unless they pass their national qualifier test and unless they pass all the rest of the interview rounds. Okay, so congratulations for that. Okay, so it's very good also, Paul. Congratulations for getting this job, and I hope you do well in TCS and you turn this unexpected event into a very fruitful event for you in the future. All of you who are here, please share this video with your friends. Like this video if you have not liked this video. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, because when you press the bell icon, you will get the notification. I am live every Thursday at 9:05 p.m. Okay.